When it comes to investing your money, there are a lot of options to choose from. But with so many investment apps on the market, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. To help you make the best decision for your money, we've put together a list of the best investment apps for 2022. 1. Acorns. Acorns is a great investment app for beginners. It's easy to use and has a low minimum investment, so you can start small. Acorns also offers a variety of investment options, so you can choose what's best for you. 2. Robinhood. Robinhood is a popular investment app that offers commission-free trades. This makes it a great option for those who want to invest without paying fees. Robinhood also has a user-friendly interface, so it's easy to use. 3. Stash. Stash is a good option for those who want to invest in a variety of different companies. With this app, you can choose from over 30,000 different investments. 4. Wealthfront. Wealthfront is a great investment app for those who want a hands-off approach. It offers a variety of investment options and has a low minimum investment. Wealthfront also has a user-friendly interface and offers a great customer service. 5. Betterment. Betterment is a great investment app for those who want a hands-off approach. It offers a variety of investment options and has a low minimum investment. Betterment also has a great customer service and a user-friendly interface. 6. YNAB. YNAB is a budgeting app that also offers investing features. With this app, you can track your spending and investing in one place. 7. Zoom. Zoom is an up-and-coming investment app that offers a unique twist on investing. With this app, you can invest in companies that you believe in and connect with other like-minded investors. 8. Ellevest. Ellevest is a great choice for those who want to invest with a focus on gender equality. With this app, you can invest in companies that are committed to advancing women in the workforce. 9. Public. Public is a commission-free investing app that offers a unique twist on investing. With this app, you can invest in companies that are committed to social good. 10. M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a great choice for those who want a mix of automated and manual investing. With this app, you can set up an investment plan and then handpick the individual investments you want to make. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.